Chief Minister Biren inaugurates state-level Kut Festival, a post-harvest festival of Kuki, Chin and Mizo communities in Gangpokpi district today. DIPR observes 78th Foundation Day. IPR Minister Thongam Biswajit asserts DIPR plays a significant role in making government initiatives successful. Speaker Y. Kim Chan expresses disappointment over Ras Leela controversy, asks who can deny Ras Leela as not belonging to the state. National President of National People Party Conrad K. Sangma asserts youth play a significant role in nation building. And Commerce and Textile Minister T.H. Biswajit confirms opening of 162 stalls by participants from Egypt, Bangladesh, Myanmar including India during Manitex 2018. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News. I'm Rashmi Laishram with the top stories and latest news at this hour. State-level Kut Committee organized the State-level Kut Festival, a post-harvest festival of the Kukis, Chin and the Mizo communities at Thomas Ground of Gangpokpi district today. Launching the festival, Chief Minister Nongthom Biren appealed to forget past misdeeds and join together for a peaceful and harmonious Manipur. The Chief Minister appreciated that the first ever state-level Kut Festival celebration in Gangpokpi was participated by various communities of the state, showing unity and forgiveness. The Chief Minister asserted that the government is trying its best to bring equal development, peace and harmony in the state. Speaking in the event, Social Welfare Minister Nemcha Kipgen said the festival gives an opportunity to stand united.
The lead their feet backward, bumping.
Honorable MLA.
Ngasigi cultural troupe ta Naga Selina Singi Maramgi, Paitegi, Nepali, Wi-Fi gi, Aimol gi, mayam amana participate orkanda kutsibu hena mapung phale haina idea the mine lawi adna sugumba yamna fajakraba koi jati kaya na pullaga sariba Manipur ngasi kut ki festival sida ahongba soba makha puriba community khudingmakki mafam piriba masina tai madudi good family ase wakhal yamna novel loiba yamna ishor ga yamna nang chatpa du jati amane hebse ishor masina tapani hai mai kampanjaningi amna ishor bu thajara kanguna kaidongoida mi gi mangna ba toroi ishor bu thajaba kanguna kaidongmakta mi gi fatna ba toroi ai good family da achoba apunba Manipur ma apunba Bharat ma gi damakta koi lemin nare har kanda chothar ga leiriba kangru puna ba ko manaba thapna pukanna ba kona minasi.
This popular festival has also played a significant role in promoting peace, solidarity, harmony, integrity, and understanding among all the different communities of the state. Let's rekindle, reignite, and instill in us the spirit of oneness among us all today.
Information and Public Relations Minister Thongam Biswajit has asserted that the Department of Information and Public Relations has always played a great role in making every initiative of the government a grand success. He was speaking at the 78th Foundation Day celebration of Information and Public Relations at DIPR complex in Kaisampad today. The minister added that public must be given awareness on every initiatives and schemes of the government to ensure success of such programs. Biswajit assured that the new DIPR complex under construction in Kaisampad will be inaugurated by February next year. He also mentioned that various welfare projects are in the pipeline for journalists of the state. A DIPI garden and a website for DIPR's monthly magazine, Manipur Today, were also launched on the occasion.
Director of the Information and the Public Relations as a society change one of the society is people since the command of the aware when get the Sarkar department Kudimakta Pakal scheme Pakal scheme state center Punamaxing Kari command of the Mapung Hana Yamna Pajana people's key participation Yaurkan the successfully implement of Hanabagi must say the awareness people Yam Maru department of Oiba department Kudimakta Apple to Jerimadudi Akogi DIPR Haribapoche Hana Ledamada Hana Kuitamo Megasandra Hoy letting the Koi Laminan Yamkan Bal Sab Lakadagishu, Adukimatic Yamna, departments improvement.
Responding to Impact News in connection with non-recruitment of staff and awaiting affiliation of State Institute of Journalism, which was inaugurated on August 8 last year to mark the 100th day of BJP rule in the state, Minister Biswajit stated that the government is putting all out efforts to get the institute affiliated or at least converted into an autonomous institution without further delay. He also mentioned that staff of the institute will be recruited in the near future.
Communication then I the affiliation to the merit and the demerit labor. Merit labor, I couldn't tambiru can tabakai the Pidu have a question hung with select and as a car thing that is the Awama thing Adubo was a high course at least must say the Salur of Matung that couldn't journalism line and another reporter was another media house and the Sanjaka at least Margil was had to begin another course Yauri Arkadi Akudi Lady individual Kudimaka media house with Hazapu Malay Sumi.
Speaker Y. Kim Jong has expressed disappointment at the restrictions imposed by some individuals on performing of Ras Leela at certain areas. He was speaking at the 13th Foundation Day celebration of Critics Forum Manipur at the auditorium of Manipur Dramatic Union in Yai School Police Lane today. He urged people to introspect before imposing any such restrictions. The speaker asked who can deny Ras Leela as not belonging to the state, stating that Manipur is known to the rest of the world because of its unique culture. Kim Jong urged everyone to join hands in safeguarding and promoting our unique culture. Renowned theatre personality Ratan Thiam presented his lecture entitled Aigi Theatre Khongchat on the occasion. The forum's members who have bagged various awards were also felicitated on the occasion.
Pitrivida Manipuri Jati Nena Putuiva, Quigi, Ras Leela gi Jagoisi, Masi, Swida Tawia, Swida Tawia, the guy Nina Pussy. I feel this is very unfortunate. I did Umorok Naga Michina Lowre, Naga Michina, Umor to Lowre, Masi, I Koigini, Kanga, Lowagi, no item, I couldn't build away in a country. Ras Leela do. But I couldn't let the high to reversing. I don't know. And I know something is Munalena Kanda Minerakanda, positive attitude Akanda, Equigi, Apabagadi, Yaminabagi, Matam Duni.
Affairs of Benign Center ABC in a press release stated that archaeologists, geologists, geographers, historians, anthropologists, Egyptologists and experts should be consulted regarding construction of a Ras Leela hall and site Kangla to preserve Ras Leela and traditional Meitei dances. ABC maintained that such efforts will bring forth unity and integrity in the state. Chief Minister of Meghalaya and National President of National People Party, Conrad K. Sangma, has reiterated that youth play a very significant role in national building. He was speaking in the inaugural event of a new Youth Front office of NPP Manipur State Unit at Sangai Pro today. Conrad Sangma maintained that youths are sincere and hardworking in their approach, and their contributions will make a great deal in bringing development, and as such, NPP will now give top priorities upon the youths. Health Minister L. Jendakumar and other prominent members of NPP also attended the event.
Sure that this office and the entire committee of the Youth Front of the NPP will work for the benefit and for the betterment of the youth of not just Manipur but of the entire Northeast. So I wish the Youth Front, our president and the entire committee the very best, and I hope that this particular office becomes really an interactive zone, a place where youth from all over the state come and discuss about the problems of Manipur and the youth and find solutions to it and take things forward.
Commerce and Textile Minister Thongam Biswajit has confirmed that 162 stalls will be opened by participants from Egypt, Bangladesh, Myanmar, including India, during Manipur International Textile Expo 2018. The international level expo is organized by the Directorate of Handlooms and Textiles from November 5 to 15. The minister also appealed for public cooperation in promoting the varied handlooms and handicraft products of the state during the International Expo. Biswajit was speaking at the flagging ceremony of a cycle rally organized ahead of the expo at Nilakuti Urban Hut today. The minister said the state-level handloom expo organized every year in view of Ningol Chakoba will be held in international level from this year. Stating that Manipur has the largest number of looms in the country, Biswajit asserted that handloom is a tradition of the state, upon which the state's socio-economic conditions are dependent upon. The minister appreciated the cyclists who took part in the Manitex 2018 cycle rally held in promotion of Manitex 2018. The cycle rally, which was flagged off from Kakching and Moirang, passed through Imphal City and concluded at Nilakuti Urban Hut. Director of Handlooms and Textiles K. Lamli Kamai, Additional Director E. Jitain and many department officials attended the event. The minister also felicitated the cycle rallyist and also released the official stall of Manitex 2018 and program list on the occasion.
अखोई तांग मंगादा अखोइना पांगथोकदोरिबा हेलुंगी अखोई मनिटेस की मरोइबा प्रोग्राम सिंगसेदा अखोई लोइनमक सरुक यावगनी अदुगा मॉडर्न अखोई इंडिया के अमदि लोकल की पुल्लकांदा 162 अखोई लेरिबा अखोई इंस्टॉल आदैदा सेमे हारकना मपुंग फाबा फेस्टिवल अमा ओइबा ngangani haibasi अखोई अचेबा थाजबदु अदुगा सोशियो इकोनॉमिक डेवलपमेंट दा अखोई हेलुम सिना पीरिबा कानाबा अदुगा अखोई नुपीसिंग ओइबा अखोई एनकरेजमेंट अमदि मखोई प्राइड अखोई सोसाइटी दा मखोने रोरिबा रोल विभजिंग जिकी earning की कनो हेंगलनबा livelihood हेंगलनबा अदुगा मणिपुर ददी अखोगी लेरिबा हेलूम एंड handicraft से tradition नि
Prabhat Peri morning walk as a part of Swachhta Bharat Yatra, a pan-India cyclothon, was held at State Food Safety Commissioner's Office of the Health Department today. Attending the event, Health Minister L. Jendakumar assured that measures will be taken against food adulteration. Stating that Food Safety Act is fully enforced in the state, the Health Minister said that food items imported from Moreh and other countries are checked as per the guidelines of Food Safety and Standards Authority of India. He assured that items found violating the food safety guidelines are banned from sale in the market. Director of Health Service Dr. K. Rajo, MLA Khetrigao and Indrajit and MLA Yai School T.H. Satyabrata also attended the event.
Health conscious oinaba amasu army treatment phangnaba adu honabana mayamna hangoidana isagi property ni isagi jaga ni isagi puni haiba madu khanbiraga madu changbiraga ek khangningba hakchangi matangda ai chagi ai sugi ai nupige ai nupage dana khangning matang lakpa kanda ek pokpadagina ek miyobagi ro level last year do madu maugi manungda layu makli anab lakado kudimakda mayamna health and wellness centers da nengim biru madu hambiyo do yam nungaiba yaifaba hakchang tinjang kajang daba punchi nungsang na laiba wakal chum na khanba ngamba mental health madu yamna khoi carefully madu season ba makal ge tung makal ge tangu sing oisi.
CSIR noticed India Institute of Science and Technology, Lumphel Laboratory Branch, organized a training program for farmers on cultivation and processing of aromatic plants today. The training program, as part of CSIR Aroma Mission, was held at CSIR Complex in Lumphel today. Speaking to media, Principal of CSIR Notice Institute of Science and Technology, Lumphel Huidrom Birkumar, stated that the Indian government has started a mission for cultivation of aromatic plants like lemongrass and citronella in Manipur. He also said efforts were for cultivating the 2 aromatic plants on 500 hectares of land since last year. Birkumar said as part of the mission, every cluster farmers were provided 15,000 saplings of the aromatic plants each, and plantations were carried out in Jiribam, Kangpokpi, Janam Sandrok, Wangjing Jingkhong, Hairok and Kaithilmanbi. The principal further intimated that if the cultivation becomes successful, even machines will be installed in these places to process aromatic oils. He appealed to farmers to opt for cultivating these cost-effective and economically viable aromatic plants to enhance their income. Retired IAS R.K. Nimai, scientists of CSIR Northeast Institute of Science and Technology, Jorhat, Dr. Mohan Lal and other prominent persons attended the event.
अखोई मणिपुर की तोंगान तोंगान बा डिस्ट्रिक्ट सिंग दा बफम तरुक खाइदोगा पांबी से पाक सना अखोई की थाबा हौजखरे अखोई क्लस्टर फार्मर ममदा यामद्रबदा अखोई पांबी लिसिंग 10 का मंगा मंगा अखोई चराजी यंथोगा हुजिक थादना याम कन्ना अखोई प्रोग्रेस तौजरी प्रोग्राम सिगी मखा तारक पोइना टेक्निकल सेशन डिस्कशन मोइना क्रमाई तौना हारिबा लेमन ग्रास से थार मतुंगदा मदुदगी लोलकपा आगी ग्रास मना हाइतारेनेको मसी क्रमाई तौना थाउ सुंगनी अदुगा हारिबा थाउदुई क्वालिटी ना क्रमाई तौना एसेस तौगदगे मार्केटिंग ना क्रमाई तौगदगे हाइबदिग मतंगदा खनगदबा अखोई प्रोग्राम नि हारिबा पोटसी मसी इंडस्ट्री होइना अखोई कंज्यूम तौर मतुंगदा मखाताना अखोई चजगदबा हाइतारे वेरी रिसेंटली अखोइना हुजिक टेक्नोलॉजी अहुम मरी अमदि अखोई मणिपुर की एंटरप्रेन्योर दा अखोई हाना ट्रांसफर तौजगरे थाबदिगे होरगा थाउ सुंगबदिगे होरगा पैकेजिंग दिगे होरगा मदु मणिपुर दा मार्केट सिनबगी पन्नमसिदा अखोइना यामना मरुइना चावना तौजबा.
Proscribed outfit United National Liberation Front in a press release has claimed that the CRPF truck bombing incident of October 20 at Nagabapal was carried out by 2-member tactical unit of its sub-branch Manipur People's Army. UNLF also clarified that Khaidem Sana and Yumlembam Milan from Nongren Maninglekai, presently residing at Nagamapal, who were arrested by Manipur police of being involved in the bombing, are not related to the incident. The proscribed outfit further clarified that Oinam Premjit, Oinam Ongbi Pinky and Saheb Uddin Jesaba, apprehended during a police operation, are not related to UNLF in any manner. It expressed suspicion that the police might have planted the arms seized from the 2 arrested MPA to trap Oinam Premjit. UNLF further assured to investigate the matter further. Information and publicity of proscribed outfit Kanglei Park Communist Party KCP in a press release informed that the 11th volume of its half-yearly revolutionary publication Langthen Minasi Ekhoi has been released. The publication includes articles on Punsi Hairabadi Ekhoi Kaidobatai, Senmilon Amadi Miyoibagi Lamchat Sajat, of political economy and the way forward, Indian colonial rule and human rights violations in Kanglei Park, and why should we demand for restoration of pre-merger political status of Manipur, amongst others. Now it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you an exclusive report of Oinam Marina being crowned as New Mitai Chanu 2018. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back. You're watching Primetime English News. Oinam Marina is the new crowned Mitai Chanu 2018, a beauty pageant organized by Lainingthau Sanamahi Sanapung Kanglei Park with an aim to preserve the indigenous culture and traditions of the state. An exclusive report in this regard from Impact News reporter Khetrimayum Premchand.
Contestant number 6, Oinam Marina Chanu.
audition for Meitei Chenu 2018 was held on 23rd September at the office of Lining Thausanamahi, Sanapong, Kanglei Park in Kongpal, Ponglambi. 36 contestants took part in the auditions, out of which 20 selected candidates competed in various events since September 30. The most outstanding part of the beauty pageant is that it was not just a beauty contest, but it was a contest held with an aim to preserve the indigenous Meitei culture and traditions. The beauty pageants reminded the role of Meitei women in preserving the unique identity of the community.
Kangai khunai asi khogi Meitei phuruki oina masing yam silaktaba amadi mapalam dagi jangsilakpa nong nomogi akanba saphuna Meitei chanu sing da biakliba chaitheng pijeta saksa da lamchat sajata hongliba asi Karigidamakta rona koina khallaga yangpada ipai puna thadoktana chena koluko haina thambiramba inat lining chanabi phijet chakcha aikhoigi saktam oiriba asi asum asum mangsalakna maram oiraga akoina makhoi bu kanba awangba thakta thangatbiba ikai khumlibo habisi yamna mathau tai khanjaraga mapur punuksiba mariba punuksiba maramda punuksiba oirakna bugidamakta sinjaba maroiba pandab masida sinjaba pandabni.
The 20 selected contestants visited various sacred shrines of Manipur and performed ritual ceremonies for blessings. Competitions on indigenous hair accessories, Nachom Semba, winnowing and traditional way of cooking were held on October 7. The beauty contestants also planted tree saplings at Langai village in Nongpok, Sanjenbam on October 21. Grand finale of Meitei Chenu 2018 was held at the auditorium of MFSGS in Palace Compound on 31st October. Oina Merina backed Meitei Chenu 2018 title. The first runners-up went to Kundrakpam Poiringan Chenu and the second runners-up was accorded to Pangamba Maria Chenu. Apart from the three winners, Shiram Priyadarshini, contestant number 4, won Thogolonchot Fajavi subtitle. Kundrakpam Poiringan Chenu, contestant number 20, and the first runners-up won Mamida Masak Fazabi subtitle. And last but not least, Konjengbam Abesana, contestant number 11, back Hendokna Matik Mayai Chenbi subtitle of the beauty pageant. Organizers of the beauty pageant aim to instill indigenous culture and traditions of Meitei community to young Meitei girls. If every community in the state take initiatives to instill the age-old customs and traditions to the upcoming generations, the unique identity of the state will be acknowledged across the globe in near future. With camera person Gurumayum Bhumeshwar Sharma, this is Ketramayum Premchand for Impact News, Imphal.
Kalashetra, Manipur has launched a 45-day National Theatre Research Residential Workshop, a discourse on the theatrical legacy left by theatre personality Haisnam Kanhailal today. The workshop held at the office of Kalashetra in Meitei Lango, Laimanai on the theme Know Our Ancestral Tradition will discourse in depth on Kanhailal's Theatre of the Earth. Speaking to media, Director of Kalashetra, Haisnam Tomba said, the workshop under the aegis of the Ministry of Culture was organized with an aim to preserve the legacy of Kanhailal, who was also the founder of Kalashetra, in the field of folk tales, narration, thangta, traditional dance and music. 8 faculty experts were enlightened, altogether 17 participants from across the country, including 6 from the state during the workshop. He believed that the workshop will contribute a great deal even to participants from outside the state in acknowledging and preserving the respective traditional art forms.
Only Manipuri traditional ancestral tradition duna karam hain tori have the makhui gi amuk lamdahan kraga makhui gi mapa mapu ancestral mayam dona karam hain toromi huzi modern time da karam haina samnari haibudugi amakha koina chapter ama hangdokpa ngamna gi namakta koina workshop asi residential oina sinjabani numise 45 days ni koina sinjari se tongan bihiram mayam da magi lecture kam demonstration kari karasi yauraga koina program asi sinjabani workshop asi.
A poetry book entitled Singin Nachom, written by late King of Manipur, Maharaj Kumar Bodhachandra, was released today. The poem was released in relation to the 84th birth anniversary of Rani Kedarani. Asangba Communication Imphal organized the event at the residence of Rani Kedarani and Priyobata Ilangba at Thangapat. Former President of Manipur Sahitya Parishad Imphal, Professor Thoidingjam Tombi, and Parishad's present President, Professor Kangjam Ibohal, attended the event. A Manipuri feature film named Nungsi Khongchat, produced by a Tripura Meitei, will be released at GM Hall on November 4th. The film is the first ever Manipuri feature film of Tripura to be acknowledged by Film Forum Manipur. Speaking to media at Smart Security Service Office in Tera Market today, producer and director of the film, Arup Thokchom, lamented that Meiteis residing in Tripura express pride in their Meitei legacy, but many of them lack understandings of Meitei indigenous customs and traditions. Arup said the film was produced with an aim to aware Meiteis in Tripura on the rich traditions, customs, and historically significant places of Manipur.
Main reason aduke hayeng aina kaapadi film se Tripura gi film gi market se mitei film se mina khara su pamba adu di market se khara chauthokpa gum nata di film se khoi jir naina na dum leira mina kanano karino kasim bhap tadre poch hoji even asike sakna ara director amana ada film morat tawga miti loya karino ade adadi atei loan gi film me amna ona wai chain leire ba adati aduna aina kummamina aina film se tawjara mina ada mitei khara oisu awareness se piba nangmani aina thajabagi aina asi film se tawbane.
The Banana Festival will be celebrated at Longmai Common Ground of None District from November 6 to 8 with an aim to promote and export local bananas. Briefing media at Manipur Press Club today, Secretary of the Festival Organizing Committee, Gailanchung Kamai, intimated that the festival was organized to secure a proper market for all the bananas produced in Tamenglong and None districts. He maintained that the bananas produced in these districts are not only organic, but its quality can also be certified as GN class. He also said efforts are on under the initiative of Green Foundation to get participatory guarantee system organic certification.
Festival sina aim to amanaso masigi raw material supply to farmers sing amadi buyers sing masi ani gi marakta deal strike to yanaba opportunity ma create to siana masi gi festival se pangthok sabani through this festival mayam da khoina message pining badi Manipur da leiba ima event sing isin ni naw sing tam da leiba mi mayam na laaga masi sida saruk ya biu sakau baga mari leinana mayam da khoi chingmi singi kita do rabsu nuksibigi khudon se reasonable price ta The
54th Battalion Border Security Force under the aegis of Sector Headquarters, Border Security Force CI Koirangai, as part of its Civic Action Program, distributed sports items to Chingdompok High School and Solar Street Light to various wards of Hairok village today. Principal of Chingdompok High School, Binod Kumar, Pradhan of Hairok Patu S.H. Santosh Kumar, and Assistant Commandant, Koi Commandant of D Koi 54 Battalion, BSF, were present on the occasion. The 2nd Manipur Rifles observe its 57th Raising Day today. Speaking to media, Commandant of 2nd Manipur Rifles, MPS Polem Manjit, extended greetings on the occasion and recalled the great contributions made by the battalion in the last 57 years. He lauded Jawans and officers for their sacrifices. Commandant Polem Manjit also inspected Unit Hospital School, family lines and Jawans barrack and interacted with the officers.
Battalion asi 1st November 1962 da British Army officer Captain L.A. Sanena likatpiramani sanglaba se yakai tare singa si bauta battalion sina yam apaba mongda law and order duty da escort duty da VIP protection duty da amasung counter insurgency operation da chobo thodang logdana lai masi pungna magasi jawan sing matam officer singi yamna phaba discipline and dedication ga loina na thapuk tobi bagini tungda su sidagi hena dena fana tobung ngamjagena thaunijari.
The Bharatiya Modi Army BMA has launched a statewide plantation drive and awareness program in view of the upcoming Sangai Festival on November 21. Vice President of BJP Manipur Pradesh, Salam Joy, kicked off the program at Deaf and Mute School in Takeo today. Speaking to media, BMA President KB Sorjit said as part of the drive, various tree saplings will be planted across the state starting from today till November 21st with an aim to protect the environment. He also disclosed that BMA National President will be attending the opening ceremony of the upcoming Sangai Festival.
Tasengna akhoi future ki damakta environment ki damakta saiga akhoi miyo bestage da oxygen se nomo gi amna darkar leibini na adna akhoi na sumaina sum mafam khodi mukta taw toroga salaga di akhoi gi society stage da akhoi miyo besine hingbada doki matik yamna laiba mongda saigi oxygen darkar lebising chi phangani haibegi asada akhoi chatha jarpo campaign ni kangkun gi mathoi da hawdeba akhoi Manipur ki Sangai festival gi mamang ta su akhoi gi program se ama chatha gi ni.
A massive landslide at Chumukedima in Dimapur district of Nagaland has disconnected National Highway No. 2 Imphal-Dimapur Road. A 27-member team of anti-theatre Changangai, returning on a bus after attending a drama festival in Sonapur of Assam last night, is stranded at Chumukedima due to the landslide. Many other passenger buses and goods carrying commodities coming towards Imphal are also stranded along the way. Team manager of anti-theatre Joy Bidya Lancha told Impact News over a telephonic conversation that the landslide must have occurred almost 3 days ago, according to earlier stranded passengers. He blamed the bus service operators and drivers for letting the passengers travel despite knowing about the landslide. Expressing the plight facing the passengers stuck at a location with no provision for food and public utility, Joy Bidya intimated that repairing the site will take a couple more days.
Sina matam yam logo ni haina khalli cha mathak tagi mayam thingji makhong dei si tam tam lo tho mathak dei si nan tha laga loini sengthor ki dui ni aduna matam logo ni adu haji babu thabak su hodri se nung ji saw ro nung ni san taw na si ju moi han na yam kan hot nari.
Human Rights Law Network HRLN in a press release informed that it will organize a 2-day state-level consultation program on sexual and reproductive health rights on November 2 and 3. The consultation program will be held at the conference hall of the Institute of Cooperative Management in Lamphal-Pat. Thoubal Municipal Council, under the aegis of Manipur Urban Development Agency, has organized a one-day awareness program on National Urban Livelihood Mission NULM at its office complex today. Resource persons gave insights on NULM, its components, challenges and opportunities, and on self-help group, essential requirements and its duties. Top officials of Mahud, Thoubal Municipal Council and people in the area attended the event. Editor of Pongnabham Daily, A. Robindro, has inaugurated a fully vegetarian eatery shop named L Sweets and Savories at Kaisampat Junction today. Speaking to media, proprietor of the shop, Pradeep Maitram, said that every vegetarian sweets and edibles related to Ningol Chakoba festival will be available at the shop.
November 2018 se de kwen tawjari bisna Diwali lakhre Chakoba lakhre hygiene pot na chingba mayam am lei bisda ahaw thum yam changbani na vegetarian gi tang oiba koi gi yerum gi oiba natraga to karim yaudaba sweets ki makhal akhoi ngasi puthokchari makhal nipu gi matak tane koi ngasi puthokchari se smile tawdana akoi gi Manipur gi amna chanaba modern oiba yamna hygienic oiba yamna mayamna pamnaba makhal gi sweets khara akoi na puthokchaduna Manipur gi prajas de khoi service pi gi tanjasini khoi lawjari bise.
Consumer Club Manipur, in a press release, informed that it will keep a strict vigil upon businessmen, shopkeepers and vendors in view of Ningol Chakoba from November 5 to 8. Marketers may visit office of Consumer Club Manipur in Pauna Bazaar or contact mobile number 762993337 to intimate regarding any suspicious transactions. Now the sports news. Singjamai Kendra Kanghut trashed Thangmaiban Kendra Kanghut 2012 in a league match of the first Oinam Charlie Singh Memorial League cum knockout Kendra-wise Kang tournament today. 13 Kanghuts from across the state, divided into 4 groups, are competing in the tournament played at Singjamai Kangsang at Singjamai Chingamathak. Singjamai Kang Association organized a Kang tournament under the aegis of Manipur Kang Association, dedicated to Oinam Roman's late father. Yai School Kendra Kanghut will face Wangoi Kendra Kanghut on November 3rd. Welfare of the Youth's Liberal and Contact Organization Kongba Kaithel kicked off the 6th Waiko Cup Water Polo Tournament in Shyam-Pukri, Kongba Market today. Proprietor of HVS Construction Private Limited, H. Vikram, Waiko President L. Iboyaima, Thongju Congress worker and Ravi and other eminent persons attended the opening ceremony. Central Swimming Center Wangkai defeated Welfare of the Youth's Liberal and Contact Organization Kongba Kaithel 7-4 in the opening match. O. Bikram scored 3 goals, L. Amarjit and O. Nongthang each scored 2 goals for the winning team. Central Swimming Center Wangkai. Welfare of the Youth's Liberal and Contact Organization Kongba Kaithel players T.H. Golson scored 2 goals, N.G. Sovin and L. Bankim scored a goal each. It may be mentioned that 4 teams are participating in the tournament. 2 league matches will be played tomorrow. Now before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Chief Minister Biren inaugurates state-level Kud Festival, a post-harvest festival of the cookies, chins and the Mizo communities of the state. DIPR observes 78th Foundation Day. IPR Minister Thongam Biswajit asserts DIPR plays a significant role in making government initiatives successful. Speaker Y. Kim Chan expresses disappointment over Ras Leela controversy, asks who can deny Ras Leela as not belonging to the state. National President of National People Party, Conrad K. Sangma asserts youths play a significant role in nation building. And Commerce and Textile Minister T.H. Biswajit confirms opening of 162 stalls by participants from Egypt, Bangladesh, Myanmar including India during Moneytex 2018.